guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be showing you guys a get ready with me, and this is kind of like a talk through get ready with me, and I will be showing you guys my outfit as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a like and subscribe to see more videos of mine, and let's just get started. So hopefully the lighting's okay. I don't have any sunshine whatsoever, so I am using my lights here, and I hope it's not too bad. It's like super early in the morning, but I am getting ready, so let's just begin. I will be using my Sephora samples that I got from a free makeup class that I took. I got some free makeup as well. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. It's a video that I made talking all about it, and I will be using this eye cream. It's like this yellow one. I want to say it's like the It Cosmetics one. So I'm just gonna melt it right here in my hands, and I'm just gonna apply this. In all the classes that I take, they always advise to use under eye cream, and I just never have used it, especially today because I did not sleep well. I barely got any sleep, it feels like, and yeah. Now for my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Cetaphil one. It's just the one I've been using. It's not really moisturizing, but it works. And honestly, with makeup, I've learned that if it's not broken, then don't fix it. It's true. If it's not broken, why am I gonna fix it? So I have learned the hard way, because sometimes I have put things on my face that it's not used to, and then it gets irritated, so that's not fun. Now I will be using the PIXI Rose Oil Blend, and it looks like this. And I literally use like the smallest amount ever. So I'm literally using a little bit because it just needs a little bit of help, because it is, you know, that super dry winter season, and I don't want it too shiny oily, but I do want a little bit of hydration, so I do put that oil on. My skin is like combination / oily sometimes, so it's okay to use oils even if you are a bit oily or combination skin like me, because it helps. It honestly does help. Now I am using my ANASTASIA Dip Brow pomade in dark brown, and I'm just gonna dip it in here a little bit and take this tiny brush and kind of just outline, I guess, my eyebrows to give it a little bit of shape. I do have a lot of eyebrows, as you can see. They're super hairy, but I do like to define and shape them a lot better, and it's honestly a struggle because I wish I could do that Instagram like faded from here to here brow, but I can't because I have all this hair. But it's okay. I like that I have I'm grateful that I have hair on my eyebrows, but you know, it's kind of hard to just do this whole routine and kind of shape them. As I couldn't really do my eyebrow on camera like I wanted to, but here it is. This eyebrow is finished, and then this eyebrow is not. So I don't know if you guys could just see like the way that it just looks so much better, like so much more, I don't know, defined, I guess. And I really like it. I don't know, do you guys have this issue like mine where you can't really do your eyebrows? Let me know. And now I'm just gonna do this one, and I'll be right back. I am done with both of my eyebrows. Okay, now I will be moving on to eyeshadows. I will be using the COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer because I really actually like the thick consistency for that base, and it really just blurs everything. So I am gonna use this to conceal. Actually, let me prime. Let me prime. So I'm just gonna take the e.l.f. one. And we are done. I'm just kidding. So I'm just gonna use the brush and start patting it. So how is your day going? I hope it's going well. It is Saturday today, and it looks like it's about to rain any second, so we shall see what I do today. I have no idea what I will be doing, but I will be doing something because I did my makeup today. So I'm just gonna apply this Wet n Wild like a bone color on my eyeshadow eyelids to kind of set everything. Be using my unicorn brushes since I do have them and I have not used them, so we will be trying these out. I'm gonna take this one right here. It's just like a fluffy one, and then I'm gonna take, I think, this like flat one right here as well. And I will be using these two. I will be using the Modern Renaissance palette. Here it is. It's right here. And I'm gonna just use all of these colors right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maybe this one too. It's better to give love to all of the eyeshadows in a palette. So that is kind of what I am doing right now. I am showing love to all of them. So that's why I'm gonna use all of them. On that bottom row, I'm going to use this burnt orange color, so I'm just gonna, and I'm using like a really fluffy one, and I've learned to also use a little bit. These are all super pigmented, so you honestly don't need that much. So my birthday is coming up and I have no idea what I will be doing for my birthday, so we shall see what I do. I usually have like a birthday party, so I don't know, I might just do that. And I usually have a theme for my birthday, like for my birthday parties, and I do post them. I know you guys really enjoy those videos if you guys have ever seen. Last year's was an all pink party. The year before that was like a unicorn party, of course. So if you guys have not checked those videos out, then make sure you check them out. Now I'm going to take that brown next to it, and it's called Raw Sienna. And I'm also going on vacation, so I will be taking a lot of Instagram pictures. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I always like reply on Instagram and message you guys whenever you guys want to talk. Like, I am always on Instagram. I'm going to use this orange color right here with my unicorn brush. I will obviously be posting a lot of pictures and outfits, so follow me on Instagram to see what I am up to. Now I am going to go, oof! What did I do right here? Oh my gosh, guys. Freaking out, look what I did. I hate when that happens. I'm going to dip into red ochre and then like love letter, like a combination. So I think, which one's lighter, purple or the red? I guess I'll do purple. Okay. I don't know, sometimes I question what I do. So ooh, my stomach is growling now. Ooh, it is time to eat soon. I gotta hurry up then. I don't know how this is looking out or turning out. Hopefully it looks good. Red ochre. It's the red darker one, hopefully. And we're just gonna see if we could just deepen up the outer V. It looks like it didn't do anything, so we might need to go into the darker one right here. Oh no, it's a little too dark. We're just gonna have to work with it. I'm just gonna blend everything. I'm gonna take the ColourPop concealer and I'm just gonna conceal. The concealer, so I am gonna take Primavera. I'm gonna eat a Hawaiian roll because I'm getting really hungry and this is taking forever. Okay, so now I just have both of my liners on, and I'm gonna apply the Best Lash Extreme Mascara by Jordana, and this is gonna take my eyelashes to the next level. Okay, so now for my eyelashes, I'm kind of allergic to eyelash glue. I had to apply lash glue into some spots. I didn't apply too much. Hopefully that doesn't irritate my eyes that much. But now I'm going to move on to my face. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer as well as the MAC Foundation. So my foundation is darker, as you guys could tell, but my body is darker than my face because my face is super pale. I'm just going to use the Kat Von D and the ColourPop, and I really like this combination. So I'm just going to do 3 like that, and then I'm going to do like 2 dots of this one, or 3. I'm just going to blend everything. Now I'm just going to use this wet sponge to kind of blend everything. I use the sponge after I have done this brush because I feel like it just works a lot better. I've been testing out the Kat Von D transparent or translucent setting powder. I really like it, and I'm going to just use my regular Rimmel Stay Matte powder in translucent as well. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Contour and Caramel Toffee, and it looks like this. I'm just going to use the contouring shade, and I'm going to use the City Color Matte Blush in Toasted Coconut, and it's just like a brown, like almost contour color, but I'm going to use this as my blush, and I'm going to use the MAC Super Golden color. This is Oh Darling in the Extra Dimension formula, and I'm going to use this as highlighter. So I'm going to use this blush. It's a brown color because I don't really like to use pinks on me for some reason. I used to, but not anymore. So I like this as a blush. I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime. Okay, so I am done with everything. I did my hair. I just did a 1 1/4 inch curl wand, and I just kind of curled it outwards. And I already have Carmex on, so this is my lip balm. This is the Holiday Too Faced collection. I don't know if I should use this. I really love this formula, and I really like these colors, but I'm not sure. I also have this one called Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D, and I have not used it, but I don't know. I'm like looking at myself, and I kind of wanted to use ASHTON because it has like a slightly like mauve-y. I don't know, what do you guys think? I really like this one. It's like my favorite. So this is the lip color. I think it goes very well with this eyeshadow color. So here is the completed look. So this is how my outfit looks like. I'm just wearing these high-waisted jeans and this long sleeve. I sprayed this, which is the Victoria's Secret Jasmine Noir, and it smells really good. Then this is my jacket that I will be wearing. So it just looks like this. I'm just gonna throw it on like this, and I feel like that's gonna complete the look. And for my shoes, I'm just gonna wear these because they are like, you know, rain, well, not rain proof, but like they're good for the rain, and I feel like they look really well with this, so I really like that.